Hello, this is part 4 of Bohemian Rhapsody tutorial. Let's get started. So, first part. Okay. Hello, my name is Akilito. This is part 4 of tutorial of Bohemian Rhapsody. And let's get started. So first chord is 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, and jump, 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 jump. Then play this chord, 0, 3, 2, 2, just once, then back to the first chord, down, up, then A7, 0, 1, 0, 0. And go back to the first chord, then the second chord, go back to the first chord, A minor, and back to first chord. Okay, then so 0, 0, 9, 9. Then pick the bottom 2 strings, and it's gonna be 6 and 4 twice. Then put your pinky on the first 9 and pick the bottom 2 strings and play 6 and 4 and 5, 3, 6, 4. Sorry, it's gonna be 8 and 6, 6 and 4. So, oh, sorry. Okay, then so first chord, bar the 5th fret and put your middle finger on the second 6. Down, up, down, up. Put your middle finger on the first string of the 6th flat twice, then slide one down to 4th fret and put your middle finger on the second string of the 5th fret, and with your pinky on the first 7 twice, then so then last this chord, put your middle finger on the 5, 3, 5, and put your pinky on the 8, first 8. So then this chord, bar the 6th fret and put your pinky on the 9, first 9. Then okay, something like this. So this chord, with your ring finger on the 4th 6, and with your middle finger on the first 5, and top, top, bottom, top. Then with your point finger on the third 1, and third 2, third 1, top, top, bottom, top. Then the same. Then a second 7, second 5, second 4. So from first 4, slide up to first 10 with your ring finger and play this chord. So 9, 9, 8, 10. Just pick all the strings, then top, second, third, play whatever chord, maybe second note, then so it's gonna be then so first chord is this one. For this part, just play the bottom, middle 2 strings, okay? First, so 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Then so this chord 0, 0, 13 and 12, okay? Then 0, 0, 12, 10. So next chord is 0, 0, 10, 9, 0, 0, 10, 12, and 0, 0, 13, 12, 0, 0, 12, 10, 0, 0, 10, 9, and back to 0, 0, 12, 10. So then so first 0, 12, 13, 12, down, down, put your pinky on the first 14. The next chord is this one. 0, 0, 12, 12, 10. This chord 0, 9, 10, 9. This chord G, actually. Bar the 7th fret and put your pinky on the first 10. So okay, 0, 4, 5, 3. So when you play this, you have to put your point finger on the bottom 2 string of the 3rd fret, and with your ring finger on the middle finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and with your ring finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. So pick the bottom and your middle 2 strings and bottom string, and take off this finger. So then take off and pick the bottom and middle 2 strings, then and slide one down to this one, and so slide down, then okay, then play this one. The same thing. 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay, it's the same thing from the last one. Then so it goes like this. So okay, so first this one 0 2 3 0 and pick the middle two strings, then C, back to this chord, then 5 3, then bottom two string, and 0 0 8 7, 0 0 10 8, 0 0 8 7, first 15. Okay, then do the same thing. Three times. Then skip this part, then play this one. Then so this chord, 12 12 11 13. It's tricky, but bottom, top, second, third, then pick the second string, then this chord, 6 0 6 6, then bottom, top, second, pick gently the middle two strings, then so pick middle two strings still, 3 4, slide one back, then this chord, C actually, bar the third fret and put your pin. So it's gonna be 5 5 4 3 3, and slide one back to B, yeah. Okay. F, G7, C. So okay, F is, you know, like 0, no sorry, 2 0 1 0, then G7 0 2 1 2, and C. Okay, then okay, fake harmonics on the 12th and pick top 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 bottom top top bottom. Okay, okay, top top bottom top 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 bottom top 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 bottom top. Then then this chord. So second 3 twice, second 5, second 3, second 1, second 0. Then pick the third 2, second 3, so C, F, B, you know, B, 4, 3, 2, 2. So from 0, 1, 0, 1, slide up to 0, 7, 0, 7, then so this one, play 0, 2, 3, 0, down, 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 then 0, 2, 1, 0, and G7, add this finger on the first 2, then this chord 0, 11, 10, 10. So that's the end of the part 4. That was hard. I'm sorry I made some kind of mistake in a way to teach you how to play the 4th part. I'm so sorry about it, but you know, I'm lazy to cut the video, so I'll just leave it as it is. So I hope you don't mind it, and I'm gonna post part 5 soon enough, so like, stay tuned. Bye bye, see you next time.